Welcome to today's class. I believe our day went well, but today's class is a step to achieving our goal, because at the end of the 3 weeks, our goal is that you should be a professional web designer. You should know everything concerning website. Now, in our last class, we were made to understand what domain and hosting is all about, the type of extensions we have. Now, in the class today, I made mention of something called subdomain, sharing a domain with a particular website. Now, today our first website we're going to be building it using a platform or an online platform called wix.com. So you go to your browser, neither using your desktop, your tablet, or your mobile phone, anyone you want to use, just go to wix.com. Now, immediately you go to wix.com, it will come here, create a website you are proud of, get started. You click on the get started icon to move. Now, immediately you create an account with them. You don't have an account. I have an account with Wix. I have about 3 or 4. But because of the sake of this class, let's click on sign up. So you can sign up with either Facebook or with Google. I prefer Google, so let's continue with Google. Then you pick one of your mail here. So let me use TT Design Concept. So you click on the account, it loads. This is the network. So the moment you click on the name, it's going to load. Then your website is a step ready. Oh my god. Now this is something about Wix. You just need to have a template. You edit the template and you're good to go. So the next thing we have to do is just click on get started. Now, what is your website for? What are you building this website for? So I prefer business development service. Now, if you are selling, you can put online store. And click online, you see it will write online store, online shoe store, online wallpaper store, online book store. Whatever you're selling can be there. So I love business, so let me just say web development agency. So I click on the next icon here, the arrow icon. I click on it. Now, does your website need any of the following? Take booking and appointment. Yes. Now, if your website is to sell online, you're going to click sell online, or you can click more than 2 options. You see, you can click, but let's just limit this to take bookings and appointment. Then click on the arrow. What is the name of your business or website? TT Design Concept. TT Design Concept. So I have enough website out there. I have the business, the side. I have a lot. So let me continue with this TT Design Concept. Then you click on the icon too. Then where are you located? Where is your store? Where is your office? Where are you staying? So 13A Rofo Estate, Ikorodu, Lagos. Now the one of make sure it's on Google. So just click on this. Then click on is your business ready online? To gather enough to gather info for your website, we'll do a quick search online. You'll be able to review, edit before you go. We don't need this. We don't. Now the essence of this is your business online already? My business is online already. I want us to start from this class. I don't want them to take anything. Let's start from the class. Just click on skip. Then it will ask you to add your info. So you put in your number, your name, address. Then you can put your social links, please. If your business have a social link, so you can put your social link. So if I paste my social link, I have /me/250971250099. That's for WhatsApp. Then I have m.facebook.com/t.t design Now, how do you get this? All you just have to do is to go to your social media platform, click on copy profile link. It's as simple as that. Paste another link. Instagram.com/ this is my former one / your username T_T design concept. Then I think that's all. So we click on the arrow button. You can put in your logo, your business logo there at that image side. So my business logo is not on my phone presently, but let's just use something. So if your business have a logo, you put it there. Now if it does not have a logo, okay, let's just work without logo. But if it has a logo, you put it there. But if it does not have a logo, you leave it and you move. Now they're going to ask you to pick a theme for your website. Now this theme, you can change it later, but I love jet black, so I go with this. Now let's get you a website. Simple. Then click on build site. So it will generate templates you can choose from to design. It's as simple as that. So the only thing you just have to do is to start editing block by block. Now when we start web development fully on Monday, I will let you understand how to what we call block section, what we call header section, footer section. All these you will learn everything. But I just want this to be our first project, because at the end of every week we're going to be having project. So this will be our first project. So let it load. It takes time. The network. So once it load, look at it, it's ready. They've already put in your business name to be your logo. But if you have a logo, it's going to be there. Hello, TT Design and Concept. Service you provide, coding. Now, based on the fact that was what I actually put, I'm a web development agency. So they gather information relating to what I do. Arbitrage, fully. I run an arbitrage company. What is an arbitrage? An arbitrage company is a kind of company that deals with technical services, web development, graphic design, software development, social media management. That is what I do, UI UX. So they help me, simple as that. They help me gather image, they help me gather content for my website. The only thing I have to do is, if I don't like any of them, I change. I can add more pages. Okay, let's edit it one after the other. Now look at the name. I can click on it. That is the header section. So you see, because I don't have a logo, if I have a logo, I'm just going to click on replace. Now what's my tagline? I have a tagline. Yes, so my tagline is helping startup businesses, with technological aims. Then my social accounts are there, everything like that. So you click on done. So it's going to update the header section. If you put the logo there, it's going to appear. The logo is going to appear. So it's going to update your header section. Hello, we are TT Design and Concept. Learn more. Service we provide high quality web development at affordable rate. That's what I actually do. If you check my main website, you see that some of this content, let me show you, some of this content are actually related to what I actually do. Now that is something about Wix. They gather information from what you actually select. What they go through your social media platform. As long as you put the link there, they go through what you've been posting so far. They help you extract information. If you put an online store, they'll give you a theme that contains shoes, everything you need to know, to how to accept payment using either Paystack or Stripe. Anyone you want to use, they'll help you do that. So let's continue. Now this is the image. You can change the image. You see the welcome service, you can change the image. So you click on the welcome section. So you click on it, edit. You edit the welcome section. So the website is divided into different sections. So the welcome section, you can change this image. I love the image there. Title, hello, we are TT Design and Concept. No, let me change this to welcome to TT Design and Concept. Then I add a subtitle, a creative web development agency. Then I add a description. If you need that, you can add. Then I put a link, a button, learn more. Then you give it a link. You take them to either page, web, mail, or phone. When they want to learn more, let me put it as phone. So my phone number, immediately they click on that button, they will be able to call me straight up. That's what we call action button. I may explain it in the class. Action button. Your website needs to have relative action button that your client can actually relate to. So I click on done. Don't forget to always click on done. Then services, I edit also. What are the service we render? So I have coding, project management, graphic design. I edit each and every one of them if I want to. Coding. So you edit as much as possible. When you want to do feedback, you click on the side, you click on edit, you give description, give us your feedback, get in touch, you link it. It's a button also, get in touch. Let's say mail. Then I put in my mail, t.designconcept@gmail.com. I click on done. Now don't forget, you can change change your footer, your theme, anything. Now look at the footer menu. I click on edit. Now the footer menu is what is underneath it. So I display my mail, no, let me not display my business name. Copyright message, yes. Then I display my phone. I don't display my social account. So I click on done. Then I click on done. Welcome to TT Design and Concept. Now, if you look at, there's something about web design you need to understand, that your text, I mentioned it in the class, that your text do not need to actually be blurry to your image. Look at this particular text, welcome to TT Design and Concept. You see it's actually on the image, and I can't see the welcome very well. So I click on the section again. I click on that section, I edit it. How do I edit it? I can replace the image, I can remove the image, I can put the image, I can replace the image, I can change the layout to fit in something better. If you look at this, the text will be up, the image will be down for this first side. For this other side, the image will be up, the text will be down. For this side, the image and the text will be together, but there will be a kind of background layer on it. So let me click on this, done. So let me click on done. Let's see how it look like. It's updating the site. Okay, it's still there, but I don't need. So let's change the layout again. Let's click on it. Just do something perfect, something that your client can easily relate to. People love to relate with the website. They love to look at your website and be like, wow, no, this is it, this is nice, this is good, this is hot. So let's choose this, done. Now don't forget, you can replace the images easy. These are images that they have on the distance, but you can add plus. If you click on plus, you'll be able to select image from your phone or from your system. So I love that image. So let's click on done. So to update it, now look, this is my business website. So this is what I have here. So they tend to look at information from your website, and they tend to gather those information and put them there. You see mobile responsive design, people are searching for your product, search engine optimization, getting the best portfolio. I have my portfolio there. Then you want to check our services, everything. So the moment you put in every of your info on Wix, they help you do the research, they help you get infos related to what you actually put in, and they offer it to you. As simple as that. Wix is great, but don't worry, Wix is small to what we're going to be doing on immediately, because for those that will be submitting their project early on Saturday, we have a gift for you on Sunday. It's gonna be something that is gonna be amazing and mind-blowing. Now these are the services I offer: web development, graphic designing, software development, social media management. Those for arbitrage. So according to Wix, they immediately I've put it to Design and Concept, they've gone to it, they've seen it, and they love it. This image is still, let me change this layout. Put it on that. Done. Done. So if you want to change pages, if you want to edit your pages, you see it has come down. Welcome to TT Design and Concept. So I love it like this. I love it like this. Now, if you want to change your pages, you can change your pages. You click on pages, you'll be able to change your home page, your book online page, your service page, your booking checkout. Now, the home page is what we have been editing since. So let's click on book online page. Let's click edit it. So we click on the book online, the header section, edit. Our business name will still be there and those things. So we click on the book online section. What do we want to be on the book online section? Now get the Wix app to continue in the Wix mobile app. So the essence of this is they want you to download their app. They want you to download their app. For those of you that will be using online store too, they want you to download their app. You can go ahead and download it. It's going to, the only reason, what you just need it for is to manage your store. You click on back, your footer, you can edit it also. Now you can edit service page. I think we've done that. I showed us where we have the coding, so you can be editing them individually. So our assignment, our project is to make sure we edit it to be perfect. Like when people come to your page, they know what you're doing. When people come to your page, they know what you're doing. Look at my service page. Now I have the image, I have service title, I have to put the kind of services I'm doing and their prices, put upcoming sections, what I just want to be, cancellation policy, contact address, and the rest of that. So I can be changing each and every one of them about their app. That is just what they want you to do. Booking checkout, you can edit those ones. You can change your theme again. Don't forget, you can change your theme. You can change your theme, but I love that black. You have more. You can upgrade. Now let's leave that part for now. Now you can preview your site. How will your site look like? Let's preview it. The website is ready. Your store, any website you're creating out there is ready. Whatever you're creating the website for is ready. So it's going to load, save all your settings to preview your website. So immediately it previews it. If you love what you have seen, then you're ready to go. If you don't love it, if it's not looking catchy enough to you, you leave it and go to the next to edit, re-edit it again. You continue editing it till you get something perfect. That's something about web designing. But don't worry, on Monday I'll tell us about colors, how to generate colors, how to get color code. There's a particular page or website I'm going to be giving out to us that you can get any color. You can snap yourself and not the color of your skin from that website. So but let this load. It's still generating our preview. Now the network is, so we can, if you preview our website, if it's good, if it's something you like, you click on the publish button. So it's going to load to publish your website. It's going to load to publish your website. Now I will say it. Let me just explain in this place. Now, you can't use this website to do a lot of things because it's going to be having subdomain. Now, let's imagine you want to run a blog whereby you want to start making money from your blog. You can't use this kind of website. One, let's imagine you want to run an e-commerce full store. You can't use this kind of website because Wix will want you to buy the domain. And that is much more expensive than what we're going to learn from next week. So if you feel this is all that, okay, I've done this. No. There's more because this is limited. This is always limited. Free things are always limited, right? There's no way. Free things are always limited. So this is way limited. But on Monday, for the next 2 weeks class, I promise you, even from on Sunday, next week Sunday, you will start because what we're going to be doing on Friday is how to outsource clients. So you will get your first client from this class that will pay you good cash to build his or our own website if you just listen to what I say. Now we've done. Now get your own domain to make it easy for people to find you online. That is what they want you to get domain. So let's click on get domain. Let's click click on view. So you see the website is ttdesignconcept.wix.com/ttdesignconcept. You see, imagine giving this kind of website to somebody. Wix will now put it on it that join us on Wix app. You see, but let's look at the interface of the website. Wow, this is still nice. Look at the chat button. They can chat with me directly. These are things I'm going to be showing you on when we start website fully. You see, everything is here. Everything. They can send me a message. Imagine having this kind of website as a portfolio website. It's something that is going to be great, like great. Great for real. Now book online, they will look at my services, service name, book one, service book, this. Now my social media platform are linked. Instagram is linked. Immediately it will take them to my Instagram page. Then if I click on the other link, I think that's for my Facebook, it will take them straight up to my Facebook page. The link is broken, I didn't copy it very well, but that is not about that. But this is always limited for you. Now let me show you my website. Let me show you, let it load. Let me show you my website. Now if you look at this, there's a WhatsApp button down there. Is a call to action button too. So these are things I'm going to be teaching you, whereby when they click on the WhatsApp button, it will take them directly to chat up with you on WhatsApp. So it is a call to action whereby you can convert your website to money, your blog to money, anything you have online there, you can convert it to money. So this is our first project. I want everybody to do this. The first 5 people to submit as early as on Saturday, because our submission time is on Sunday normal. That's where we're to submit our project. But the first 5 people to submit by Friday, I have an overwhelming gift for you. That when you receive the gift, oh God, you will come to the class and start telling them that no. So this about this. So this is our first project. You have to build a website using your own business name or your name, deciding your team, deciding what you want to have on your website. You send the link to the group by Saturday. Okay, let me just say by Sunday 12 p.m. Sunday afternoon, you send it to the group. Anyone that didn't do the first project will be removed out of this group automatically. So if you are not doing your assignment, you'll be removed. Now I will send you the link to submit the link of. So immediately you finish submitting on the platform, there will be a link for you to go and submit the project also. So you just go to that link, you put the project 1, you put it. I'll explain in the class, but this is it. This is what we have here. Let's go to the website again. The website is shocking me, seriously sweet. It's sweet. Oh my god. Service to provide high quality web development at affordable rates. We have coding, we have project management, we have graphic design, we have web development portfolio, you have user experience. Now there's something we call UI UX. We're going to be talking about that too in our full section. We have app conceptual design. I'm going to be teaching us how to convert our website to application. Isn't it great? Imagine you create a website for a client, an e-commerce website for a client, and you also tell the client that ma or sir, after we're done with your website, we'll create an app for you that will put your app on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. I'm going to teach you how to when you immediately are done with the website, when we finish designing the website, all you just have to do is to convert the website to application. I'll teach you how to create an account to Google, whereby you can upload your app on Google, and when people download it, Google pays you. These things are sweet. I say IT is the way. So see us in the next class. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming to this class.